kaya. Dami ng galuyong nasirap.
Ang meron F45. Ang tanga naman yun na higher.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng ating pagtutok sa ating 2019 Honda PBA Philippine Cup brought to you by the all-new Honda Click, the official motorcycle of the PBA. Mag-umargin po ang iyong likod. Makakasama natin Dadine, Quinito, Edson, live on ESPN 5.
The players for Raider Shine, Dave Norwood, Jaire Ibanez, and Takiwag, JV Mocon, Chris Rosales, Dexter Maiquez, Maverick Anmisi, Jewel Ponferrada, Mark Borboran, James Yap, Raymond Almazan, Ray Nambata, Norbert Torres, Mo Belga, JJ Alejandro, Sidney Onbubere, and the head coach is Caloy Garcia.
One day pass lang. Yes, Shiloh. Pupo time? Kaya ano?
Scoring, they need to be able to play cover defense, force stops, and then go aggressive on the other end of the floor. But once to play the tough offense, he is unstoppable.